Picked me up another SWISSTECH from my local Walmart. This is the SWISSTECH GERUNDET. Okay, it is a flipper. I've been eyeballing this for some time. It's $25. Comes in this nice box. It was at my local Walmart. It's carbon fiber inlays, Aus-8 steel with titanium coating. I'm a sucker for carbon fiber, so this goes with my other carbon fiber knives. Deep pocket carry. That's the SWISSTECH lanyard hole, that bright red right there. Very sharp knife, very good action as a liner lock. This is the SWISSTECH GERUNDET carbon fiber folding knife.